Once, there was a quiet, beautiful Japanese town, a place where life moved slowly, where every street carried the warmth of lanterns and every home held the fragrance of clay. In this town lived a 10-year-old little innocent boy named Zora, the son of a humble potter. He loved his father's work, simple, honest, and always enough to meet their needs. One evening, Zora visited his father in his shop, where he noticed a man in the shop, angry, disappointed, and demanding to buy a vase from their shop. But his father calmly refused. Customer angrily shouted, "Why won't you sell it? I've got money and just name your price." Zora's father calmly replied, "My shop is closed for today. If you truly wish for it, come tomorrow." At this, the man left, frustrated, but Zora stood there confused, thinking, how could a shopkeeper refuse a customer, and why? That night, lying on his mattress, Zora kept thinking about what he had seen. His little mind was restless with curiosity, searching for an answer that did not come. The next morning, Zora decided to follow his father to his shop. He walked closely behind him, Zora sitting in front of his father watching closely, until he could no longer hold back and asked, "Father, isn't business about selling? Why did you refuse to sell the vase yesterday?" Father, smiling gently as he works the clay, "My son, because I believe in confinement." Zora, tilting his head, puzzled. "Confinement? What does that mean?" Father, looking at him kindly, then nodding toward the clay. "Come, Zora, help me with this pot." Father, while guiding Zora's small hands onto the clay as the pot takes shape. "Do you see, Zora? This vase needs boundaries to stay in its position. Without limits, it would collapse and lose its form. Just like that, we humans need limits too. That is confinement, to be satisfied with less and to keep it pure." Zora was too young to grasp the soul of his father's words, but one truth sank deep into his heart. That limit is the life of every greed, every passion, every feeling. Without limits, even beauty dies. But with limits, the soul learns to live. That night, as his parents rejoiced in their meal, Zora's eyes rested on the vase he had shaped with his father, quietly standing in the corner. Fullness is not found in endless gain, but in knowing when to stop. For the vessel is only strong when it has walls. And so is the heart